Are you struggling to integrate the Google Mobile Ads SDK into your Appcelerator project? You're not alone. Many developers face challenges when trying to implement rewarded ads. Today, we will walk through a common issue and find a solution together. I completely understand how frustrating it can be when your code doesn't work as expected, especially when you're trying to implement something as exciting as rewarded ads. You're definitely not the only one facing this issue. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user reached out saying they created a pod file for the Google Mobile Ads SDK, but encountered a type error when trying to load a request for rewarded ads. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what might be causing this type error? It seems that the method loadRequest is not being recognized. This could be due to how Hyperloop handles method signatures, especially with named parameters. Let's break it down step by step. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a tip that could save you a lot of time and headaches when working with SDKs. To address the issue with the loadRequest method, the user should first confirm that they are using the correct method signature. The loadRequest method requires two parameters, a getRequest object and a string for the ad unit ID. Next, the user should modify their code to match the required method signature. This means passing both the request and the ad unit ID correctly when calling loadRequest. Additionally, the user should check if alloy.cfg.rewarded is defined and holds the correct ad unit ID. If this value is undefined or incorrect, it could lead to errors. If the issue persists, the user may want to consult the Hyperloop documentation or community forums. There could be specific limitations or updates regarding method support. Fun fact, did you know that the first mobile ads were just simple text messages? Look how far we've come with rich media and rewarded ads. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. A user suggests that the issue arises from not including the full method signature for the loadRequest function. To fix this, you should concatenate the parameters in Hyperloop. They also point out that this approach is documented in the Hyperloop programming guide under named methods. Additionally, there's an open source example available for using the Google Mobile Ads Android library with Hyperloop. Here's a pro tip. Always double-check the method signatures and parameters when working with SDKs. This can save you a lot of time and frustration in the long run. And there you have it. With these troubleshooting steps, you should be able to resolve the type error and successfully implement rewarded ads in your app. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.